Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to do medical delivery. First, you'll need to understand the local regulations and secure any required permits for transporting medical items. Next, make sure your vehicle is suitable, often needing specific features for temperature control or security. Finally, complete specialized training to properly handle sensitive medical specimens and maintain patient confidentiality throughout the process. This foundational work is crucial for success. Once you're set up, focus on essential equipment and safety. You'll need insulated containers to maintain specimen integrity and spill kits for any unforeseen accidents. Always wear personal protective equipment, like gloves, to protect yourself and the items. Crucially, follow strict chain of custody protocols for every single delivery, ensuring accountability and security from pickup to drop-off. Now, let's talk about the delivery itself. Always verify the recipient's identity and obtain clear signatures for every item you deliver. Meticulous documentation is key. Keep detailed records of pickup and delivery times, along with any specific conditions or instructions. If any delays or issues arise, communicate them promptly to all relevant parties. Clear communication ensures smooth operations and trust. To excel in medical delivery, professionalism is paramount. Always maintain a professional demeanor and appearance as you represent a vital service. Continuously update your training and knowledge of industry best practices to stay ahead. And hey, while you're on the go, make sure your ride is fresh. Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Tree's black ice. Check the description for a link to that and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.